Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's finally getting warm out, so this is the big hype that everybody was talking about. I did open one. I tried it. So it's the, what is it, the So Good candy freeze dried sweet spears. Of course it's supposed to be like Skittles. I did try a few. I'm not too sure about. Let's taste it again. The one that I tasted was the yellow one, and to me the yellow one tastes like lemon head. So I'm not sure exactly if it's a mixture of different candies or is it just Skittles, or we'll see. We'll see. So this is the green one. That one was pretty good. They're really sweet though. The orange one. It's okay. I mean, oh, by the way, 5 and below. I finally found them. The 5 and below, they had. I'm gonna go next to get the other ones. See which ones are the favorite. But 5 and below, finally I found them, and they had sour. These in sour. They had the, I think, the gummy worms or something. They also had the peach flavor, the peach rings. I don't know. I will have to. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these. But that, the yellow one. Like I said, the yellow one kind of tastes like a lemon head. Yeah, okay. 5 and below has it, and it's a good size. It was packed to the top. The size is a 4 ounce, so it's not too bad. All right, guys, that is my taste test for the day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless. Stay nice and cool because it's gonna be hot. All right, peace out.